gonna make some gorditas, some memelas from Puebla. These are already pre-made memelas, stuffed with beans. And it looks like it's masa from a seca. Got the salsa, the cheese, green salsa, onions. All we need is a little bit of olive oil. Alright. Pour some olive oil on this pan. We're gonna cook the memela. Pour some more, a little bit of olive oil on top. Make it nice and crispy. So when you flip it, it cooks. So you can see there's the beans stuffed inside. The beans are inside. And this is a memela. No cheese, just beans. I'm going to flip them over now. Now I'm going to apply the salsa. You can see I don't like that much olive oil on here. That's enough. I'm going to do green salsa. Spread it. Spread it. Add some onions. Some queso fresco. And that's a gordita, Puebla, from Puebla, Mexico. Gordita or memelas. So you can do green sauce or red sauce. So I made 2 green sauce. I'm not going to show you how to make 2 red hot memelas. Again, you pour your olive oil on the pan. You put your pre-made memelas, maseca dough, maseca flour, corn. Again, these are made out of beans, stuffed with beans inside. Now we're just gonna wait till they heat up. And we can apply some olive oil on top of the memela. So now we're gonna flip them over. Mexico, they don't use olive oil. I believe they use lard, pig lard, instead of olive oil. Gives it a different taste, authentic taste. We're gonna do the red sauce, Mama Special, queso fresco, and onions. We're gonna do the red sauce. Spread the red sauce all over the memela. House-made salsa. House-made salsa today was salsa day. Queso fresco. Queso fresco. Don't forget the onions. Okay, now it's the moment of truth. We're gonna try the memela gordita from Puebla, Mexico. Nice and hot. Tasty. Really good food. Typical in Mexico, Puebla. You find these in the streets in every corner. Memelas, quesadillas. Really good vegan food. Except for the cheese. Highly recommend.